The doctor is in.
Hey guys, certainly glad you guys could join me today. Today we have a special guest.
What's up, guys?
Tell your name.
Name's Insane.
This is my brother Michael. Today he's going to be joining me in this unboxing video of my new camera. And don't shake it, it's brand new. But my brother's a photographer on Instagram where he posts his like daily pics.
Follow me, insane_not_crazy with a K. Check out my pictures.
So today I got another new camera. The last camera wasn't really working for me because no matter how many times I tried to make the sound, well first off, the sound wasn't, you're gonna stab yourself, wasn't in syncing with my voice, and it keeps getting this weird buzzing noise. And I tried with different microphones, but it just wouldn't work. So I returned that one, and we're gonna try this new one. And since my brother here is a photographer expert, he's gonna tell us this thing is worth the $100 that I paid for it.
So you got a 16 powerful zoom, f3.2. Okay, it's not too bad. You might be able to get a little bokeh effect with that.
I don't know what that is, but I hope it's a good thing.
Let's see. This little knob is very hard to turn. If it even turns. I think it's just decoration. It doesn't turn. It's just an on and off switch right there. The top. This one.
We got the manual.
It looks like you can turn it. Let's see. You need a battery?
Yeah, the battery's right here.
Let's see.
But yeah.
All plastic.
Yeah. Well, it's a cheap camera, but you know.
It feels nice and sturdy though. Like if I drop it, up, just fine.
Yeah, it's no professional camera like my brother has. He has this huge ass, really nice $500 camera that he takes. Like, he gets up like at 4 in the morning just to go take pictures of the sunrise.
I'm not seeing a battery, Matthew.
This is the battery.
Oh, here it is. Battery.
Uh-oh. And usually this isn't a good thing, but there's like little broken pieces of plastic coming out of it. So I don't know where that's from.
Anybody want to help me stick this in?
Don't make those kind of jokes on my channel, Mike.
No, they don't call me insane for nothing.
So this is how we connect it to the computer.
I'm holding it on. Let's see how fast. It powers on really fast. Looks like it has pretty good quality. The white balance seems to be off. Let's go. Can you see it?
Yeah, that's why I have my brother here.
Let's see, you got a menu here. Capture mode. So you got a self timer and single. You're good to set the self timer and then start the video up. Go with the image size. Let's go to 24 megapixel. It's set on 20 megapixel, but you don't want to run with that.
That's why I need.
You don't need a you need a card. You have an SD card.
I got a 32 gigabyte in my room.
Let's see, where do you put the SD card at in here? Maybe where the battery's at. No, I don't see a spot for an SD card anywhere. Maybe right there on the bottom.
Here it is.
See right there? Yeah, I found it. You might want to go get that.
Alright, well show them the cool part, like I can actually move the screen over to the side so I can actually see.
Oh yeah. Has 180 flip. So
And
you got
And that's the thing that I liked about it, because my brother has a great camera, but I can't turn the screen so I can see myself to make sure I'm in frame all the time, and he's not always home because he's always like working. So I had to get a camera where I can be able to do this stuff on my own. But let's go get that memory card and check it out.
Got the ISO. It only goes up to 400 ISO. Just have that set to auto. Exposure. Face detection. Turn that on. Beauty. We don't want that on. It makes you look all silky. Metering mode. Let's do a spot metering. Anti-shake. Let's turn that on. You got your Wi-Fi. Let's turn that on.
Don't know what the Wi-Fi would be for.
Overall, pretty cool little camera.
Would you say it's worth the price of $99.99?
Yeah. The focus is pretty fast. It's not the fastest in the world, but I don't know if you can see it.
Yeah, so after the last incident where I was having trouble with my camera, I decided to bring my brother in because he kind of knows this stuff. So I was supposed to do a Resident Evil roleplay today. I mean, I had it recorded, but you know, this camera actually came in a lot sooner than I thought. So I figured that I could start recording with this one and just post the like a better quality one tomorrow. You know what the only sucky part about it is? It doesn't have like a little remote where I can just remotely
Shutter.
Yeah.
Shutter release button remote.
Oh no, like a little remote controller where I can, kind of like how your camera is.
Yeah.
Where you can press the remote and just.
You got a loop. HDMI, no?
Here's that little 32 gigabyte SD card.
And you can turn the beeping noise off. That's pretty cool. I don't really like noises.
So yep, I'm gonna test this camera out tonight, and hopefully it works better than the last one that I had to return.
Overall, I think it's going to be a nice upgrade for the YouTube. Got a HDMI port, a USB, and a microphone spot. Plug your microphone right into it. And also connect one up here in the hot shoe. There. Or a little flash. There's a spot right here for tripod.
Well, that's the reason why I love it, because I can like plug in any of my microphones in this one now. Oh, that's the video I made. But so far this camera looks pretty cool. I'm going to test it out tonight. And I can get that Resident Evil roleplay up tomorrow. Oh yeah, and be sure to follow my brother on Instagram. He takes a lot of amazing pictures. I mean, my brother is real dedicated to his pictures. He'll get up like at 4 in the morning to take pictures of the sunrise. He has his own little spot he likes to go to. That's a picture he took of the price. But again, Mike, thanks for being here on this video with me.
Oh, you're welcome. Anytime, YouTubers. I'm out. I'm gonna go smoke some weed.
It's legal here in Arizona. But yeah, so we unboxed this camera. So far, I like it. I love it. I'm gonna test it out right now, and I'll get the Resident Evil roleplay videos for you guys tomorrow with better quality. So thanks a lot for watching, guys, and again, I'll see you next time.